Okay. So we'll continue. Do you remember what we did last time? What did we do last time? Do you remember?
Can you give me some words?
Sample.
Yeah. I remember.
You remember?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, yeah. Random sample, cluster sample, quota sample. Ah, you're here. You forgot these words? Do you at least have the words written down from last week? Do you have them in your notebook? Yes, sir. I wouldn't want to sit beside him either. Can you get out? You're trapped. Here, maybe you can go this way. Is it okay? Do you have your notes from last week? No? Yes. Yes. You have your notes from last week? Yeah. Can you tell me the names you had last week? Do you have your notes from last week? The notes from last week. Do you have it? You know, notes. You have them, Elsie? Great. And you have them? Right, so what are the different types? What was the first type of sampling we did? Simple random. Simple random. Yeah. What was the second type?
Systematic.
Systematic. Yeah. What was the third type? Stratified. And do you have Elsie, do you have the fourth type, number 4? Yeah. Which one? Which one? Sorry. Quota. Quota sampling. And then number 5? Snowball. And number 6? Cluster. Yeah. You have those as well? Do you remember any of them?
Yeah, I remember.
Good, alright. Well, if you remember at least one word, I suppose that's good. Now, what about the week before? Quantitative and qualitative. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Oh, good. Great. So, for example, shoe size. Quantitative or qualitative? Quantitative. Height.
Shoe size.
Shoe size, yes. Height.
I think it's
Height? True, continuous. Quantitative, continuous. Yeah. Weight, continuous. Shoe size, discrete.
yeah.
Eye color.
It's continue.
Huh? Nominal, very good, very good. Yeah. Small, medium, large. Coffee size. Small, medium, large. Small coffee, medium coffee, large coffee. Nope. Nope.
Oh, no.
Nope.
No.
You have only one choice left. It's not continuous, it's not discrete.
Ordinal.
It's ordinal. Remember, like gold, silver, bronze. Yeah? Bus number. Bus number.
Ordinal.
Nope.
Bus number is the name.
Yes, it's the name of the bus, and what's that called?
Normal.
Nominal.
Nominal.
You remember these 4 words?
Mm-hmm.
Continuous, discrete, ordinal, nominal. How many students are in the class? What's this?
Nominal.
How many students? What's this? Yeah, is it continuous or discrete?
Continuous.
Discrete. Not continuous. If you have 1 student and you have 2 students, can you have 1.5 students? No. Okay, and then what about favorite food? Favorite food. What is your favorite food? What's this?
Ordinal.
No. So if I said, what's your favorite food? And you said, chicken chow mein, dumplings, sweet and sour pork, chicken curry. What are these? Are they numbers? No.
Nominal.
Nominal. They're names. Nationality? You know nationality? Chinese, 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 Irish. Nationality, what's that?
Nationality. What's it? Chinese food.
My nationality is Irish. Your nationality is Chinese. Not food. Continuous, discrete, ordinal or nominal? Continuous, discrete, ordinal or nominal? Which one?
Other nominal. Nominal.
Nominal. Very good. Yeah. How many coffees you drink every day? How many coffees you drink?
Discrete.
Discrete. Could it be continuous?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. 2.5 coffees today.
Yeah.
Maybe 2.25 tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And one more. Let's do something difficult. Telephone number.
Nominal.
Nominal.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it's number.
No.
Because name with no order.
Yeah.
I card her.
Yeah, but why is telephone number like this? You should know, April. Why is telephone number nominal? It's like bus number.
The name.
Yeah. Telephone number is the name of what? Yeah? What's the telephone number? It's the name of what?
Name of number.
Name of... The telephone number is the name of the telephone. Yes? Yes? You understand? So it's nominal. Nominal for name. Okay, it looks like you remembered most of this. Good job. Do you remember the words from last week? Simple, random?
Yeah, some random.
Yeah? What's simple, random?
Random is your number.
Random is what?
You are around the number.
You don't know what will happen.
You don't know what will happen, it's random. Yeah? You don't remember last week, I think. Is that right?
No.
Yeah. It's not right, you do remember? Okay, great. Alright. I tell you what, just take 1 minute to read your samples from last week, and then I'll ask you to tell me what type my example is. So I'll give you an example and you tell me which one it is. Do you have your notes from last week, April? Oh, they're at home. Oh, how useful. Maybe you can share with someone. Yeah. Do you mind if she reads? Would you? No, you don't like her? Yeah, I understand. No, it's okay. She will share. So just read these for 1 minute, and then I'll ask you. Oh, okay, very good. Okay. Have you read them? So here's my first example. I have questionnaires and I give them to April. She takes one and gives it to Jason. And then this is called snowballing. It's the last one, I think, yeah?
No,
Not
one by one, pass the.
Yeah, one by one, pass them along.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, snowballing. Okay. What about this one? I go to the cinema, to see a movie, and then I talk to people about the movie, and I talk to them in groups. There are 3 teenagers, I'll talk to them. There are 2 couples, I'll talk to them. There are 5 children, I'll talk to them.
customers and
Cluster, very good. Yeah. I go to research, and I would like 5 men and 5 women for my research. What's this one? Not quite. So I go to Tesco.
Also you want to, yeah?
I want 5 men and 5 women, and I take 5 men and 5 women. No. Not systematic. Quota. Quota. You know this one, quota? This is when you want. So, for example, I want 5 Chinese students, 5 Arab students, 5 Irish students. This one is called quota. Quota. You see it? What about if I said I take 1 person from Dublin 1, 1 person from Dublin 2, 1 person from Dublin 3, 1 person from Dublin 4. I take 1 from each part of Dublin. What's that? That one's stratified. Stratified, yeah? What about this one? I go to a street and I knock at door number 1, door number 3, door number 5, door number 7, door number 9. What's this type called?
Everyone with equation.
Yeah, but only people at 1, 3, 5, 7. You don't ask everyone. You only ask 1, 3, 5, 7. What's this one called?
simple random.
No,
Yeah, it's simple Domo.
not simple random.
Domo.
Domo? What's Domo?
Dono is teacher name.
Oh, Donald. I know Donald.
No.
It's not, what is it? It's not simple random.
Systematic.
Very good. Systematic. Sorry, I shouldn't interrupt you. Try again, say it again. Go again, say again. You almost had it. Systematic. Yeah. Try again. Systematic. Good, very good, very good. Okay. And then the next one, I go to a shop and I take him and I take her and I pick him and I pick her. I just pick anyone. What's that called? I think you were going to say it, April. What's this one? This is simple random. Yeah? Yeah. Are you sure you remember? What about this one? At DIFC, I talked to 3 Chinese students, 3 Saudi students, 3 Korean students, 3 Japanese students. What's this one called?
System.
No.
Quota.
Quota. Yeah. I go to the canteen and I talk to a group of boys having breakfast, a group of girls having breakfast, a group of teachers having breakfast. What's this one called? Very good. Cluster sampling. Yes? Okay. Please try to review these words at home, and then maybe next week we can be a little bit quicker. Yeah? Okay, so we'll go on to something new then, now that your brains are awake. Well, nearly awake. I still think they're a little sleepy. Yeah? Okay. Can you write this down now. I think maybe I did this word with you last time. Let me write again, sorry. Do you remember this? Did we do this word? Do you know this word? No?
You didn't tell me. Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. I think I did tell you, but that's okay. Frequency, F, is how many?
Yeah, you didn't tell.
Okay, if you're sure. So if you have A, B, A, what's the frequency of A?
Oh.
It is 5. And what's the frequency of B? What is it? 2. So frequency is a noun.
Yeah.
Yeah? It means how many? Yeah? Are you sure I didn't do this? I think I did.
I want to make sure you didn't tell.
I don't know if I believe you. Did I tell you what?
Will you tell us? I will.
Okay.
Write down my
Did I tell you this word? Tally.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Tally. Are you sure I didn't tell you?
Yes.
Tally man?
No. Spider-Man, Superman, I know. Tally-man, I don't know.
Okay, fine. I believe you. I don't know if I should believe you, but I believe you. Okay. Right. So, firstly, can you just write this word down? Frequency.
Yeah. Only noun can use of.
Frequency is only
I mean,
noun.
how to use the of
What do you mean?
frequency of, how to use the of,
How to use it? I don't understand.
It's noun and of
Yeah.
is basic on like this.
Frequency on?
frequency of,
Frequency off?
yeah.
Yeah.
How to use the of.
So it's okay, yeah. The frequency of, so you would use it like this when you want it as a question, but you can also say the frequency is, and this is the answer. But I think that's it. I mean, usually these words go together. Frequency of as a question and frequency is as the answer.
Mm-hmm.
Is this what you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't use it any other way. You can't use it as a verb. No, you can only use it this way. Yeah. So I could say, what's the frequency of Chinese students in this class? So that would be
1%.
I think there's more than 1%. That would be 4. Yeah? Or frequency of male students. That would be 2.
Yeah.
You know male and female. Yeah. You are female and they are male. Okay, good. Right. You got this word? Yeah. Now we have this one. Relative frequency.
You didn't tell.
Okay, I believe you. Right. So let's say you have A, B, A. So the relative frequency of A, you can write F for short if you want, it's normal. Relative frequency of A is 80%. It's a percent. And of B is 20%.
What's mean?
1, 2, 3, 4 from 5 out of 5. And then this B is 1 from 5. E-N-C-Y. You look confused. So for this room, what's the relative frequency of male students? 50%. And female? 50%. Do you understand? Are you sure? Okay. Okay, got that? Yeah? Go down? Yeah? Okay. You have with that? Yeah? Is that the habit? Yeah? Okay. Next word which you said you didn't know. Tally. Here it is in English. Here it is in Chinese.
Okay, I never seen
You've seen this. You're Chinese. Yeah? This is what we use in the West. This is what they use in China and Japan and Korea. The Koreans Korean students use this, don't they? So this is in the East. And then in Brazil, You know Brazil? Yeah. They use this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Anyways, in Ireland we use this one. This is a tally.
Tally.
Tally. Yeah. Everybody used this one in China, yeah. But have you seen this one before? Oh, this is new.
Yeah.
So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Simple. Although I like this one more. Yeah. Now, the great thing about tally is you can use it as a noun. It can also be used as a verb, and it can be used as an adjective. Yeah? So tally as a noun just means this. What do you think it means as a verb?
Five.
If I said tally the class.
Attend the class.
Say again?
Attend the class.
Yeah, it's like, what's another verb we can use for tally? Do you think?
Other verb.
Yeah, another verb that means tally. Well, it just means count.
Yeah.
You know? 1, 2, 3. Yeah? As a verb it means to count. Yeah. I'll give you an example. So if I said tally A, B, A. The answer is A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B, 1, 2, 3. So tell me here, if I said tally A, B, A, and this is the answer, is the tally here a noun or a verb?
Verb.
It's used as a verb. Very good. And here, this is the tally. Is that a noun or a verb?
No.
Here it's used as a noun.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
You say not, for example, you tally the class.
Yeah.
It's different mean.
To what? Attendance?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little different. Tally the class would mean like count how many boys and how many girls or something. Or how many Chinese, how many Korean.
Similar or just a little different?
It is different because attendance means the names, but tally means you just count. So for me, if I said tally, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Whereas attendance means name, and name. Yeah? Okay, so that's tally noun and tally verb. What do you think tally adjective means? How could I use tally adjective?
I have so tally dogs.
No. No. Nice try, but no. And you can't say I feel so tally or no, not this. Something else.
Tally data.
That's a verb, tally data. Oh, I know. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you could say tally system. So we have 3 I showed you. Ireland, what way to go? China, and then Brazil. Is tally system. But you can also have someone called a tally man, not like Superman or Spider-Man or Batman.
What kind of man?
Yeah, tell me, what kind of man is a tally man?
Economic.
I just
No.
make sure I don't know what is man.
Yeah, who's this man, tally man?
I don't know.
I think you can guess.
I
No, don't.
Yes?
No, don't look. Tally man, who's this man?
In the shop.
Maybe. Tell me more.
in the shop.
They are clean adults.
Cleaner.
No.
They are
More information.
they are put some in the job.
Yeah, it's a job. What's their job?
Yes,
It's a job. What do they do? What's their job? Tally man's job.
they are about the money, for example,
Cashier.
in Chinese,
Yeah.
and they are
Manager.
Let her speak. Let her speak.
what is they are if you try some clothes
Yes.
and then you put anywhere, they are take clothes. I
So difficult. You take the clothes and you give it to them?
No,
No.
put on the. You mean they help you? No.
How many people, how many things in the shop? Every day I do this work. How many drink beer, how many water, how many like this job. Maybe.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah.
What do you
Tally.
mean? I don't know.
Let me explain. Tally man is somebody who counts.
Mhm.
So, for example, if they work in a shop, maybe like Jason said, they count how many
Juice, like
juice or drinks are in the shop.
Oh.
Or if people are voting, you know, we had the vote in Ireland recently, new government. Tally man could be the person who counts the votes. You know, like who votes for Stephen? So he counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who votes for Jason? 1. Something like this, yeah. So a tally man is somebody
Count.
who counts something.
Yeah.
Count something. Yeah? So it could be in a shop, or it could be government,
Mhm.
or something like this.
publication.
Huh?
Publication.
Application? Yes.
Yeah.
Or population, or, yeah. You understand tally man?
Understand.
Yeah?
Why
So,
do you explain too difficult?
no. She's trying. It's good. Yeah? And she had the right idea, I think. Maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, so we have tally noun, tally verb, and tally adjective.
Mhm.
Yeah? Do you have a similar word in Chinese that means tally? Can you think of a Chinese word? Is there a Chinese word for
Chinese
tally?
word.
Count?
Uh,
Is there a word? Hmm?
Waiter.
No, but I mean, like, if you think about Chinese, is there a word in Chinese that has the same meaning as tally? There is one. Because, for example, in America, they don't really use the word tally. In America, they would just say
Accounting.
count.
Count.
Accounting. Accounting.
Yeah, or just count.
Yeah, accounting.
Yeah, they wouldn't really say tally as a word. Yeah. So is there a word in Chinese for tally? You know, like tally man, tally verb, tally noun. Is there a Chinese word?
Yeah.
Just because
What is it? And see if they agree.
it is a job in China.
Ah, yeah, but do you have a word for this, and this, and this?
No.
No.
Only medium.
Yeah, you don't have a name for these. You just, what do you call them? Just counting? Ah, it's okay. I was just wondering because, in some countries they don't really have a word for this. I was just wondering if Chinese, if you had a word that means all of this. You don't seem like you know, or you're pretty sure.
I know similar words, but
It's not quite the same. Yeah.
Verb is different. Maybe verb is account.
Yeah. So in Chinese there's a different word for the verb and the noun and the adjective. They're all different words.
Maybe the polyman is accounting.
Yeah,
something.
yeah. Yeah, okay. So you don't have one word that means all of this. It's a different word for each. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Now let's have a look here. Are you 100% sure I didn't tell you tally?
Yeah.
Because I really remember saying it to you.
No.
It's okay, it's past time.
It's
Don't
too-
worry, yeah.
Don't
That's
worry.
what I have you.
Don't
Yeah.
get the answer.
Yeah, okay, alright, fine. Alright, if you say so. Okay, so I want you to practice using the Irish tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? So, can you see this one? Let's see. Can you see that? So here, is tally being used as a noun or a verb or an adjective? I say tally the following grades from a class of students.
It's a noun.
It's a verb.
It's verb?
Yes, it's a verb. Because I'm telling you to do it. I said tally this.
Verb can start the sentence.
Yeah, like eat this, do this, drink this.
But I think it's not good for AC, alright?
No, it's fine. Like if I said drink this, eat this, watch this, do this, write this,
Before I
check it. He
check.
doesn't believe me.
Can you see? I know this. Save water.
Save water.
Save electricity.
Yeah.
But I show someone.
Yeah.
My Chinese teacher.
It depends how you use it. So for example, if this is an essay, you wouldn't use it.
Yeah, it's not good.
No, but this is an instruction. I want you to do this. So if I want you to do this, I can start with a verb. But in an essay, you shouldn't do this because you're not talking to anyone.
Yeah.
You know?
I know that.
It must be have someone.
Yeah, you must have someone to talk to.
Writing.
It's writing, yes. This is like speaking, but that writing, no.
In the essay, can I change the verb? Become verb ing, saving water, saving electricity.
Just saving water?
Yeah, saving.
No, you would need more sentence.
Saving water. Water is the source of life. Low water, low life. So it's very important for us to do so.
The start of the sentence is saving water?
Yeah.
And then, is that the end of the sentence?
No.
No.
If it's save, I want to change it. I want to become verb ing. It's better or?
No, not better. You would need more words. You can't just say saving water. You have to say like, I don't know, saving water is important, or I will write about saving water. You can't just say save water or saving water. Yeah? What do you want to say?
It's just a strange. Why I can't use the same start a sentence?
You can't use it in writing because when we start a sentence with a verb, it's to tell someone to do something. So I say, close the door,
Yeah.
close the window.
Oh, it's always sentence. Always.
Huh?
Obey. O-B-E.
Yeah, obey. Yes, obey sentence. You want someone to do something.
Yeah.
You can't use it in a writing because you're not talking to anyone. Yeah. It's okay?
Yeah.
So here, I'm using it as a verb because I want you to tally.
Yeah.
So I said, tally the following grades from a class of students. Students could get U, E, D, C, B, A, or A star. So then, here, what do you call this? What is this called?
Data.
Very good, data. Remember this word?
Yeah.
Data. Yeah. So can you tally this data? Make a tally. Tally this data.
Ali?
Tally this data. Do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah? Count this data. Tally this data.
How do you say, mean the whole many?
Yeah, so I want you to do this. I want you to start A star and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You understand?
Yeah.
Go. You understand?
I understand.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, try.
Which is the best?
Which is the best?
Uh-huh.
The best grade here?
Uh-huh.
A star.
S star?
This one.
S star is best.
Yeah, and this is worst. Yeah.
Which is second?
It goes best, number 1, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, worst. It's like this in the school.
In the school?
In the school, yeah. Okay, tally please. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see like this.
Let me help you. Because your eyes are so tired. Finished, April? Sorry, Elsie?
No.
No. Do you understand what you need to do? Good. Do you know what you need to do, Jason? Have you done it? Show me. You got a nice picture? Let's see.
Picture.
Well, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Number.
No! That's no.
Okay.
Now hang on, fine. Just be clear. This here
How?
is called a tally. If I write the number, what's that called? No.
It's a very
Frequency.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I say tally, we want this. If I say frequency, I want this. Okay, Jason? Alright. So make me the tally. Thank you. I know it's the same, but we're practicing our English.
Okay.
Yeah.
C, D, E, U.
A star. A, B, C, D, E, U. Very good. Let's see. Yeah. Now just be careful. This one and this one, they're different. Yes. A little wrong. Much better. Finished?
Yeah.
Show me. Is it nice?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Elsie?
No.
Not yet. Okay. And April?
Okay.
You fixed it. Good. Yeah.
Tally, good name.
I like this word, tally,
Yeah.
because you can use it as a noun and a verb and an adjective.
Maybe it's name.
And it can be a name. I can be the tally man.
Mm-hmm.
It's not as good as Superman or Batman. It's okay.
Superman.
Yeah. Just tally man. Yeah.
How they always use in Ireland, North America.
Yeah, I think most people in Ireland and the UK would know this word. But maybe some Americans might not know this word.
I mean, if I say Holly, everyone in Ireland, they know.
Oh yes, they should. They should, yes. I'd be very sad if they didn't know it. Yeah. But maybe in America, maybe some people don't know this word, because in America they would just say, count. But I don't like count, because you can't say count man, or you can't use count really as a noun. It's more used as a verb.
Yeah.
But tally is great, because it can be a noun, a verb, and an adjective. Yeah. Okay, have you got this one finished now? Yeah.
Excuse me, can
Yeah.
I say polyman is Tallinn? Do you understand?
Tally in. Yes, you can. So you could say the tally man is tallying the data.
You don't feel strange?
No. You think it's strange?
Yeah.
And then you can say the tally man made the tally.
Yeah.
See, I like this word. You can use it anyway,
Like quick.
Yeah, you can also say like,
Some word, quick, verb, nouns, and active.
yes,
Adjective.
yes. Well, there's many words in English like
Yes.
this. And you can also use it in past tense as well. Tallied.
Yeah.
If they were tallied.
Is verb.
As a verb, past tense. So you can use it anyway. So it's easy not to be wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is why I like this word. It's a good word for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next now. So we have next thing is frequency table.
Frequency table.
Yeah? So I'll give you an example.
It's
Yeah? Like this. And then here, boys.
yeah, I know.
You know this one?
Yeah.
Girls. 3, 2. Yeah, what's this one called? What are these called? 3, 2.
Frequency.
Frequency. And what's this one called? This is just the data.
Data.
Yeah. Or we can call it, if we want a letter, we call it X. So this is X and this is F. Okay, and sometimes you should have this here, total.
Yeah, total.
So what's the total here?
5.
5. And also, sometimes you can have the percent. So what's the percent here? The relative frequency.
It's 70, 60.
Yeah, 60, not 70, yeah. And this one?
40.
40. And this one? 100. Yes. And this one here is called the relative frequency. Remember this word?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, when you do your research, you should put your data into a
Table.
frequency table. Yeah? You have this word? Okay. So, put the following data of eye color into a frequency table. So what are the eye colors you can have? Blue, brown, and green. So make a table for me. And don't forget, I want the relative frequency, the percentage also. Please. Do you know how to calculate percent?
Actually,
That's okay, I will teach you. So for example, if you have A, B, this is 4, and this is 2, and the total is 6.
yeah.
So the percent is 4 over 6. 4 over total.
Yeah.
Multiply 100. And if you want, you can use your phone for this. It's okay. I don't mind. Yeah. To this? Yeah.
I can write X and Y, yes.
Yeah, let me be clear, sorry. You can do it like, you should do it like this. It's ugly, I know. X, F, or F. Oh, so ugly. Boys, girls, total. 3, 2, 5. Oh, you get the idea. So ugly, I know. Okay. Have you got this, Elsie? Yeah, okay. Alright, try this one now. Give me the frequency table.
The last one is X, F.
Yep. X, F, or F.
Or F.
Relative frequency. Or look, if you want, you can just write percent as well.
There are 3 colors.
Yes.
Why you didn't?
I told you this. I said brown, blue, and green. I said this. He doesn't listen to me. Finished? You got the percentage?
Yes, of course.
What percent blue?
Blue
Yeah.
is half.
What percent? What number?
15%.
50%, thank you. Brown?
Around 14%.
40, yes. And green?
10.
Yep. And total? Of course 100. Yes.
Yeah, I know the total. Maybe total 200%.
Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's just check. Message. Who's this from? Maybe it's Dennis. No, not Dennis. This is what you're hoping for, is it? Yeah. Okay. Next now. Whoops, wrong program. Okay. I've just opened my program. So, we can use a frequency table for ordinal, like, yeah, actually, let me show you here. The first type of data, student grades. What type? Ordinal, nominal, continuous, discrete. What type is this?
Ordinal.
Correct, ordinal. Eye color? Eye color?
Nominal.
Nominal. What about this one? I ask you how many brothers or sisters you have. So they said 3, more than 3, more than 3, more than 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. What type of data is this?
Discrete.
Discrete. You can make a frequency table for ordinal, nominal, discrete. But there's a small problem with continuous. Let me show you. Let's go with make this a bit smaller. Okay, so this data, oh well, you can't see it. Let me put some of it up the side. Okay, great. Can you see this data? I'll make it a bit bigger. Right? A bit more. No, too big. Perfect. This data, let's say it's height of a plant, a tree. So this is meters. Whatever, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Can we put this in a frequency table?
No.
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah, why not? Why can I not put this in a frequency table?
All the different.
All the numbers are different, so
Uh,
I can't count them. None of them are the same.
yeah.
Do you understand? Do you have any ideas what we could do to fix this problem?
One a part of, one a part of, one a part of.
Yeah.
One, yeah. 1, 2, yeah, 1, 0, yeah, I think it's okay.
You understand him?
I
understand him perfectly. So what he's saying is, you put them in groups. So the first group can be 0 to 0.1. Yeah, or whatever. And then the next group can be 0.1 to 0.2. You know, you can put them in groups.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So let's do this one as an example. I think this is too big. Let me make it only 2. These can be heights in meters. Let me just paste this.
Are you adding?
This is my data. This is my data, okay? So I want to put this into a table like this. A frequency table. But this table is called a grouped frequency table. It's called grouped because you do it like this, you know, A to B, B to C.
Only for continuous?
Yes.
Okay.
This is called grouped frequency table. You wrote that down, the name? Yep, okay. So my first question is how many boxes should I have? What do you think? You understand what I mean? How many boxes? Well, firstly, how much do I have? How many? 18. 18, yeah. How many boxes? Maybe 3? Yeah? What do you think? 18? No. 18 is too many. 3? Maybe. Let me tell you how to know. Okay? So, first, you count how many you have. Here we have 18. Let me make this all big for you. This is n. Then you do square root. Do you know this word? I'll write it. I'm sure you know this. This? Yeah? Or what's this one?
Square.
This is called square root.
Root. It's 3.
Exactly. Just like in Chinese. Square and then root of a tree. It's the same in Chinese, isn't it?
Yeah.
Square root. Yeah. What is this one? Let's see.
Square.
Very good, yeah. Square root 141. 12. Let's see. This one?
25.
No.
40.
16.
60.
Yes.
And it's just the 2, yeah? It's 3.
Yeah.
3.
Please teach me how to get the number. I don't know.
Okay, hang on 1 second. You know how?
Some I don't know.
Some you know, yeah. So what you do, you need to think of a number that multiplies by itself to make 9. So the answer is 3.
Yeah.
So the answer is 3.
Yeah.
The same number.
Yeah.
So like 25, 25. So 25 equals what multiply what? 5 multiply 5. Yeah. So the answer is 5.
Choose some number and get
Two numbers the same make 36. So what two numbers make 36? 6 multiply 6. So the answer is 6.
Yeah.
I want to know the
That's what?
6 what?
6 what?
Oh, this!
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, yes, okay. Sorry, I'll give you some words, yeah. This one? Yeah, add or plus. There are many words. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, and this one?
Square root.
Square root.
Cube root.
Cube root. Yes, very good. That's the next one. Yeah. You have this on your phone, I think, this square root. Okay. Did you know this word, April? Divide, did you know this? New word? New word?
Yeah.
New word?
I know.
Okay, you know this one and
Yeah.
this one. This one? New word? Yes. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Can I go back? Okay. So, here, square root, I can calculate it on my program. Square root 18 is 4.24. Okay? Then what you do next is you round up. Do you know this meaning? Round up? Let me show you. Example. 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.9. If you make this become 7, this is called round up. And if you make it become 6, this is called round down.
Why get a 6?
No, I'm telling you, if you change 7.2, if you make it bigger, make it 8, you call this round up. But if you make it smaller, if you make it 7, you call this round down. You remember this?
Yeah, you must say 6 is round up 7.
Yes, 6 round up to 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah. So, if I round up, what does this become? 5. This is how many boxes you should have. You should have 5 boxes. This is like a trick to know how many boxes you should have. More than 5, too many. Less than 5, not enough. 5 is a good number. So
why? How do you know it's 4 point?
I don't. I have to use the program. Yeah, I can't do this one. No, no. I need to use a calculator. Yeah. Okay. So we need 5 boxes. I think it's okay. Alright, so we make 5 boxes. 1, make it bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Yeah. And this is X, and this is F. Okay. Now, what do you think we need to know next?
1, 2.
Yeah. What do you think we need to do next? Yeah, well, where do we start? Do we start at 1? Yeah, but no.
No.
Where do we start? Do we start at 0? Do we start at 1?
1.
Yes?
Smallest.
The smallest number. So this is called the minimum. What's the smallest number here?
108.
101.
1.01.
Yeah.
What else do we need to know? Thank you. The biggest, which is called the maximum. What's the maximum?
195.
Is it? Yeah. Okay. What do we need to know next?
Next,
What should we do next?
um,
No idea?
no.
Maybe April knows. What's next?
five
5 groups, yeah? Yeah. And we have this.
Mm.
Hmm? Okay, next you do, look, 1.95 minus 1.01. You want to know how big? Yeah?
How big?
Yeah, how big? From smallest to biggest. How much? Yeah? You look so confused.
No. I think you display like some big data. This is small data. It's maybe just some easy.
I know.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to teach you what to
Yeah,
do.
it's big data. How to do
Yes. So, we have this. Yes?
Yeah.
0.94.
Ah.
This is called the range.
Range. The second 1.95 divide 1.
Minus
Yeah.
1.01. Yeah. Make sense? What's next, do you think?
What's next?
April knows. Divide. Yes, okay, yeah. Almost, April, almost. In fact, we don't divide by 5. We divide by 5 minus 1. We divide by 4. Yeah? Now, we'll explain why we divide by 4 in a moment. Okay, so we do 0.94 divided by 4. Now I know why you think 5, because we have 5 boxes.
4. Why 4?
But the reason I'm doing 4 is because I'm not going to start at the smallest. I'm going to start a little bit before the smallest. I don't want to start at the smallest and the biggest. I want to start a little before the smallest, and I want to finish a little after the biggest.
If
Yeah.
it's 6 groups, I just
Divide 5, yes.
Okay.
Alright, so I divide by 4 and I get this number. Okay? Great, so the last thing we need to know is, where do we start? This is where we start. We don't start at 1.01. We start a little before this. We start at 1.01 minus, not this number, half of this number. We start a little before the minimum. We should start at this number, which is half of that to the left. I don't want to start at the minimum. We like to start a little before and finish a little after. Do you understand what I'm saying? You're checking I'm right. No, you should. I might be wrong. No, don't trust me. It's okay.
I just want to know,
Yep.
what is the size?
It's the smallest number minus half of this. Half of it. Okay? Alright, so let's make our table. Did you write these numbers down? Yeah, I can start the table. So, April, What's the first number here? I'll try and... my table's so small. Okay.
You mean, do I know the...
Yeah, what did I...
say number?
The first number. Well, just tell me what was it? It was 0.8925. So the first one, 0.8925. Like this. And where do I finish for the first box? Well, what you do is you add W. You see this number here? That's how much you go each time. So, since you have the calculator, April, you can tell us what it is. The next number here.
Maybe 1.24.
I think that's too big. You want this number plus this number. Yeah?
It's Mars.
Huh?
Mars.
Math?
Mars.
Yeah. Basic. No?
I don't know.
I know you don't like. It's little. Have you got your calculator?
1.12.
1.1275. Okay, and then the next one is 1.1275, and then X, and then yes, April's going to tell us. Maybe, yeah.
1.245.
Are you sure? I should check.
1.7.
Hang on.
1.7.
Look. I'll make the table here, okay? So we start at 0.8925. 2, and then we stop at 0.8925 plus this number.
0.1175.
Hang on. I fixed it, sorry. 0.1275. Is that what you said, April? I'm sorry, I believe you. Yes. The next one will be from here, 1.1275 and then it'll be 1.1275 plus this number.
Yeah.
1.3625. Now what will be the next box? 1.3625 to 1.3625 plus this number. So 1.5. So the first box is from here to here. Then the next box is from here to here. And then the next box is here to here. And it keeps continuing like this until you have 5 boxes. Yes? You look so confused. Yeah. April, you get this. You understand, yes? What? April likes maths.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
No, you do. I can tell. You do. Okay. Well, anyway, I don't think you need to worry about this because your data probably will not be like this. It'll probably be ordinal, nominal, or discrete. Right? Right? Because the questions you will ask, what questions will you ask people? Are they male or female?
This is question.
Yeah. Well, if you do the question, you know, on the internet, you don't know if they're male or female. Yeah. You know what I mean? So I don't think you need to worry about this, but I wanted to show you. What is this type called? What is this one called? Group frequency table. Yes. Yes. Okay. So what I want to do for the last 10 minutes is I want to start working on your questions you want to ask people. If you have your laptop, do you have your laptop? Your computer, do you have it? Remember last week I asked you to bring it?
It's very heavy.
Oh, it's so difficult, I know, yes. Right, so you... No. Yes. Jason, you have your laptop? Okay. Okay, so you will have to, you can just write it.
Okay.
You have some paper?
Okay.
So, what did you say you want to do? I forget. Your research. Yeah, remember last week I asked you, what would you like to research? Ask people. Say again?
You mean homework?
No.
I lost.
Okay, hang on, let's start with Elsie. What do you want to ask people? What do you want to research, study? What do you want to do? The questionnaire. No, that's okay. You can remember what you want to do. Like, for example, Jason is going to research about exercise. People, do they exercise?
Yeah.
And then what did you say you were going to do?
Junk food.
Junk food, yeah. You want to know what junk food people eat, is it? Something like this. So what would you like to research? Any ideas?
Are you male or female?
Yeah. I don't think she needs to do this research.
What's your favorite food?
You want to do food, yeah. So you can research what food people like. Something like this? Yeah? And what would you like to do?
Like to do.
Yeah, like to do what? No ideas? We should think of an idea for her. What should she do?
What type of food?
What would we get her to do? Yes? No idea. What do you like? Do you like clothes? Food? Movies? Pokemon? Doraemon?
I like money.
Money, good! Right, money's good. Right, good. So, what can we do about money?
Money.
How much money you have, yeah? Maybe you could try and find out if people have a part-time job. Part-time job. Where do they work? What do they do? How many hours do they work? You know, like this? Something like this. So, will you do this one?
No?
That's your question.
Yeah.
You should ask her
Yeah. So I want you to make 10 questions to ask somebody. So I'll give you the first question, male or female. What maybe might be question number 2?
Are you male or female?
No, that's question 1. Question 2.
Question 1 is down here, and I don't know are you male or female.
We don't have to ask them, you can pick it yourself.
Oh.
Yeah. So what could be question 2?
Are you single or married?
If you want, yeah,
Would
that's
you
fine.
know your phone number?
Maybe not.
Yeah. Are you single or married?
No, no. Question 2 maybe could be their age.
Oh, that's right.
Age? Oh.
Yeah.
What's your
Because
My
maybe.
Chinese teacher told me you don't know each other, and the first time you ask them how age are you.
No,
how
it's rude.
No, it's okay if you give the person a choice, so they can say like 18 to 20, 20 to
Ah.
25,
Yes.
and it's okay.
No.
Yeah? Okay, so you have 10 minutes, 10 questions. That's what I want. You can ask them if they're married. This is actually okay. It's normal it's normal actually to ask people, because maybe if the person is married, then they eat less junk food. Or maybe if they're married to someone bad, they eat more junk food. Maybe.
any question?
Well, you want to do, you're doing food, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you want questions about food, like, do you get takeaway? Do you make your own food? You know, questions like this. Yeah?
Age is a verb. Age. How age is a verb.
No, how old?
Age, how to use age.
Age, you would say, what is your age?
What is your age? It's not.
Yeah, but people would say,
How age you are you?
no, you wouldn't say how age, you'd say how old are you? But most people here would say, what is your age?
Yeah, what is your age?
Yeah.